5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I've been hoping to test these relics on live targets.
Beware. Beware.
Let us see if the legends of this relic are true. Destruction is guaranteed.
Run away, little girl. Run away. Beware.
The anticipation to use this relic is killing me. Though it will more likely kill you.
Beware.
Fucking long skull again.
This is
Fuck
Xy'mox.
you.
This is
So
Xy'mox.
far?
Yeah, I got all three of these.
Beware.
Destruction is guaranteed.
Run away, little girl. Run away.
Fuck me.
It's on
Yeah,
the run.
Beware.
Where's me? Not Rose. Where's Frankie? They invite me back in.
Can you take this one?
Look at that.
The war beckons.
I'll go far.
Beware.
Destruction is guaranteed.
Sorry again.
80 ads,
Sorry,
boys.
sir. On the front.
80 ads, 80.
Two behind of us.
Mage buff.
Beware.
Nell. Smoke.
Ads inc.
I hope this wondrous item is as lethal as it looks.
Beware.
So far.
Go trapped in the back, doesn't matter.
Mallet 5, get green.
This mage buff.
Run away, little girl. Run away. Run away, little girl. Run away.
It's trapped in 9 seconds, just hold and then you soak everything. Well,
Watch out for the traps. Watch out for the traps in 2 seconds. Don't stand.
I can go clear all of them on bubble.
okay, go.
Can we not last now?
You can bubble. Why?
No, I'm asking, we should.
Yes.
Yeah,
Right,
last.
I'm clearing them.
Are your cooldowns up like directly then or something? Like, I don't understand.
Ours are up like 20 seconds before last.
Can't clear these ones. Careful of them.
Nell clear. Oh,
Sack me rush?
I have cloak in 2 seconds. I can clear
no,
fast.
Nell has. Okay.
You play nicely.
Just
Stay
fucking
alive.
survive the next thing.
Yeah, stay alive, that's fine.
Next
Rams, you might
stampede is
need to cover
bumping.
me, I'll tell you.
Magician,
Yeah.
magician,
If
you
you
do
have
not.
you can trank after.
Like that.
Run away, little
Rams,
Oh,
you need to
no,
do red
no.
and fix it.
Right, try for the ball.
I have
Yeah,
gold.
cool.
I have gold. I have gold.
Run away, little girl. Run away.
Sick! Link,
That's fine.
please.
That's actually really good.
Rams, can you
I
get it?
sacked. I did. I just sacked myself. Whatever.
Oh.
Doesn't matter, dude. Kill the
Get
fucking
spanked
boss.
out quickly. Spank needs toilet boss immediately.
Magician, you cloak.
Go. I got it.
New portals. Don't
SX
fuck
out.
them up, yeah?
SX out.
Beware.
I got spell warding for the. No, someone
No,
else. Did.
magician do.
You
You
said
won't-
you're low, yeah?
You won't have a stampede. You won't have a stampede, like, if you don't rest me, but I leave it to
Res
you.
Rams. Just get him out.
Part of your line, what's your
Oh,
HP there?
no. Alright, I'm gonna go die.
This is a just leave everybody kind of vibe, yeah?
Man.
Kill the boss.
Yeah.
Taunt spanks.
We will not.
Ads incoming soon. Bait the ads.
Annihilate in 7, get the after.
The traps, we were not.
I need the traps, I need to get trapped
We
out.
don't have anything for the traps.
Can you grip Rajox?
Use
Can you
personal.
grip Rajox? Can you grip? Thank you.
Easy season ghost. Just do the like. It doesn't matter if you get MC. Just do the.
Xy'mox, can you clear?
I've got glyph in 5, so yes.
Just leave. Just
Okay.
everything you have today.
Thanks on the boss.
Any
Yeah.
healing CDs we got? Hard to see the MC person.
Just kill the boss.
Oh,
kill
they've
the
got
boss.
me.
Go, go, go.
Easy
There's
boss, just
Easy
one
boss,
boss,
easy
one boss.
boss, easy boss.
5 years until next.
Just have to sacrifice Massive, yeah? Easy game.
5 years until next
Alright.
mechanic.
Yara!
Yeah, like just sacrifice yourself.
Rajox, did you get to kill me?
But Rams, you
Yes,
get the
fuck
grey
you.
log, so why are you doing this?
Medal of Honor.
Good job, good job.
Boys,
Ran.
Matthew, that
Man,
I'm not
good job,
an easy
boys.
boss for
Well done,
people
boys.
like us.
That
Right,
overlap
yeah.
can actually fucking kill itself, I swear to God.
Oh,
Hey,
Take off him.
Where's
Oh,
my
we got
fucking
two,
bag?
brothers.
trade it as well. Hold on.
Bags in the chat.
Oh my god, indestructible chest.
Wait, I think
Big.
does Walk need that? No.
So we're gonna get
Not for me.
gear.
S-Tech need that.
It's 4 pieces of it, got 3.
Someone who's dead's gonna get
Oh, we got
one
the
for
bag,
free.
don't worry guys. I can't.
Uh-oh.
Oh!
You got the wanky ring. Nah, nah, nah,
I can trade it.
That's giga good for.
Yeah.
That's good.
Need is more than